Hi. My name is Julia. I'm a student. And this is Carolina's house.
Hi Julia, this is my dad. He is a doctor.
Hello Julia. I'm a doctor. I work in a hospital.
And this is my mum. She is a shop assistant.
Hi Julia. I'm a shop assistant. I work in a clothes shop. What about your mom? What does she do?
My mom is an employee. She works in the office.
Interesting. And what about your dad? What's his job?
My dad is a cook. He works in a restaurant.
And what about you Julia? What do you want to be?
Oh, I want to be an hairdresser.
An hairdresser? Oh, that's great. So, you can cut my hair when I will be a famous singer.
A famous singer?
Yes, I want to be a very famous singer.